Hello everyone, it's me, Mohammed Rahman Purno, the well-known English language of Bangladesh. I'm from the well-known English. I'm from the batch KT163. This is my partner.
Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. My name is Simran Islam. I'm from well-known English language in Bangladesh. My batch number is KT163. Today we are going to ask some questions to each other. So let's begin.
Hello.
How are you?
I'm fine. How about you?
I'm also fine. Can I ask some questions to
Yes,
you?
you may.
What is traffic accident?
Traffic accident is a very dangerous kind of accident. In what kind of event can it be in?
It can be an most dangerous thing accident. Event accident. In which way that does it happens?
It can be in bad weathers like rainy weathers. What can you endure from it?
I can endure loss of property life. How can you maintain the rules of traffic accident?
I can maintain the traffic accident rules by not looking at mobile while driving and not getting any kind of alcohol effect. Can you tell me how can a traffic accident be? How can it happen?
It can be happen in so many things like ignore traffic accidents, drive fast, etc. Why is it so dangerous?
It is so dangerous because we can endure the loss of life and also many damages to many properties. How can it be?
It can be very dangerous.
This is all about for today. Thanks for listening to us. Assalamu alaikum. Take care of yourselves.